Hi, welcome to the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Paulo and today I'm here to show you how to use 3D shapes in Fusion. So in a previous video I show you how to create the earth rotating and some text appearing, and today we're gonna elevate a little bit more and we're gonna add a little bit more features, and I'm gonna show you how you can do this effect in Fusion. So let's jump in the computer and see how you can do it. Here we are in the Fusion page with our previous clip that we done. Here we have the word earth appearing from inside the earth, and this was what we do in the previous video. So today we're gonna elevate this and give it a little bit more 3D aspect to this. So let's first come to the word earth and let's change it. Let's give it a little bit more 3D aspect, and for that we come here to the extrusion and we increase this. Over here let's change the text to red. Now let's see this in 3D. So for that we're gonna put this like this, and now you can see it in 3D. And if you want to move this around, you just press Alt or Option on your computer and the center button of your mouse, and you can move it around. And now if you play it, you can notice that the earth is coming out and increasing. Now let's change the text from to breaking news, and let's adjust this. So let's come here to our point over here. Let's adjust this and let's put this over here. Let's come here, and over here we can lower this a little bit, and look, it's coming out and coming, and in here let's adjust this a little bit also. So let me pull this around here. So it's done. Now let's enable the light and the shadows over here. Let's come to our render, and in here select lighting, enable lighting, and enable shadows. Now you don't see anything because we don't have any light, so let's add a light to our composition. For doing that, shift space and type light and look for directional light, add it, so it's over here, and let's connect it to our merge 3D, and now you can see the light, and the light is over here. So let's put it here and somewhere around here, and let's rotate the light a little bit. For doing that, you come here to the transform, and in the y-axis you can adjust it. Look what it's happening. So this is changing, and it's, if we play it now, it's a little different. We have more 3D aspect, but let's increase the quality a little bit. Let's from here, it's too bright. Let's reduce this a little bit, and now let's add our movement with the camera, and let's add our camera around, put it here. Let's connect it also to our 3D merge, and you don't see anything because the camera is inside of the earth. Let's put the camera over here, and now you are seeing the camera. Let's go somewhere around, okay, like here, and come to the camera and we'll go to the transform, and here in the Z let's add a keyframe. Now let's come here to the finish and add another keyframe, but this time I want it a little bit more near over here. And now let's go to our text 3D over here, and over here let's do some Let's go over here and let's go to the camera again and go to the keyframe over here, and let's pull this a little bit off without seeing the words. So here, and it's done. If you play it, look, and the words are appearing, breaking news, and the camera is closing in and is passing through the words. Of course, this is rendering, and the next time will be perfect. And you can see over here what's happening, and there we have breaking news. Now we can still change a little bit, come to the render, and if you come here to this render type and we put OpenGL render, this will change a little bit. Now let's adjust this, because the directional light we have to increase over here, and let's play it and you can see the difference. Now you will have all the shadows, everything in the light, everything reflected over here, and you can see the shadows, everything, and look for the shadows over here. Now you choose what you prefer, this one or the other one, and it's done. So as you could see, the final result is a little bit better, a little bit more quality, and you can change between the OpenGL and the standard render. The OpenGL will increase a little bit more the quality. And I hope this information was helpful, and I hope you learned something today. And if yes, don't forget, hit that like button, that helps a lot. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell to be notified next time I'll launch a video. Until there, bye!